Lightning is electricity, and electricity involves tiny particles. Some particles have a positive charge and some have a negative charge. The two opposite charges pull towards each other like the north and south ends of magnets. Usually electric charges are fairly balanced. But the turbulent winds of a storm cause electric charges to separate within the cloud. Most lightning occurs within the cloud itself. But we're concerned about the lightning between clouds and the ground. Lightning starts with negative charges moving from the clouds towards the ground. Scientists call it a stepped leader. Meanwhile, an upward leader forms as positive charges move up from the ground, usually from tall objects. When a stepped leader and an upward leader meet, it makes a path for a much larger and brighter electric current to shoot up into the cloud. This is what we see in the sky as lightning. It happens so quickly that lightning seems to travel from the cloud to the ground, when in fact, the opposite is true. So can lightning strike the same place twice? Absolutely. Toronto's CN Tower is struck by lightning around 75 times each year. In fact, in August 2011, the tower was shocked a record-breaking 52 times in 84 minutes. But don't worry. The tower was built to withstand it, so it's a safe place to be. If lightning strikes once, twice, or even 52 times,